Hey, what is up guys? Senge here and welcome to another video. In this video, I want to cover equipment that you need in order to make videos. Now, a couple of things, all right? Now, first off, a little bit of a warning. This is New Year's Eve and right now there's fireworks going on outside. It is absolutely pandemonium around here. And so two, my dogs are absolutely petrified of fireworks. So you might hear them bark or anything like that. My bird is right over there and you may hear him squawk because of the fireworks. They are loud. I don't know if you can pick them up on this microphone, but they're loud and obnoxious. While I love fireworks, doing videos is not really conducive in this type of environment. So anyway, talking about equipment. So I've gotten a lot of questions and comments about people not being able to do videos because they don't have the right equipment. And I honestly, I simply don't understand that because for one, you really don't need anything more than your phone. You know, nowadays people's phones are absolutely amazing. This is a Galaxy S9 and this has absolutely amazing video, can shoot 4K. The sound quality pickup is actually really good, but it doesn't really matter even if you have a brand spanking new 4K iPhone. This is a Galaxy S5. I believe that this is an S5 anyway, that I've had for almost 5 years now. This does not shoot anywhere near 4K. It is, in my opinion, it's a hunk of junk, but I can't tell you how many videos I've shot with this thing, whether it be YouTube videos over on my other channel or course videos for, different courses that I have or whatever. Like I've done so much with this phone and this phone doesn't even come close to doing, 4K videos or maybe even, I don't even know if this does 1080p. This could do 720. I don't know, but nowhere near the resolution. The audio quality is absolutely terrible. And I've done loads of videos with this. You don't need a $3,000 camera or anything like that. What I'm actually recording this on right now is a Logitech $30 webcam. And while I do have a microphone and a key light set up, it's not necessary, right? You could take your phone, set up in front of a window, set this up on some books. I actually have one of these pop sockets here that you can pop out and it can just rest up on, a bunch of books or anything like that. And you can just record naturally. If you're ever going to upgrade something, maybe have it be your audio, because while while people will watch and have no problem watching videos that have, terrible video, but good quality audio, they will not watch a 4K, 8K, video with absolutely horrible quality audio, right? So you want to upgrade, when you can, all right? And the first thing I would upgrade is my audio. But what I'm trying to say is it's not necessary, all right? What is necessary is that you get started. All right, get started making YouTube videos. Get started with your course creations. Get started making, virtual sales letters, what we call VSLs and so forth. I mean, us as marketers, we're funnel hackers, we're entrepreneurs, stay at home, folk. This is what we do. We essentially do two things. All right. We write content, all right, whether it be blog posts or sales letters, Facebook ads, and whatever like that. And we make videos, all right? In order to get your business off the ground, get you moving forward, making money, you need to start making videos. And this, my friend, is the only thing that you need, all right? And if you don't have a phone, you can go buy a phone for $15 over at Walmart that'll have a camera that's good enough for you to start, making videos on. There's no need to make excuses. And as entrepreneurs, a lot of entrepreneurs, we like to make excuses for one thing or another. All right. Oh, well, I need to have a key light in order to make good videos because, it's going to light me up better. And I'm here to tell you, you don't need that. All right. You can sit in front of a window and do just fine. All right. If you say, well, my audio is not good enough, you know what? That's really all you need. Oh, my video is not good enough. Yes, it is. All right. It's absolutely good enough. All right. So stop making excuses, get rolling. And really, I mean, that's all I had to say was just, you don't need all this fancy schmancy equipment. I actually have right over here a really kick butt studio setup. You know, I've got backdrops. I have all different types of lighting. I have a boom pole with, you know, my shotgun microphone. I've got a very expensive camera with, you know, a ton of lenses for that camera. I've got this whole studio set up. And where am I? Where am I doing this video? I'm sitting at my desk, nothing behind me, you know, just a big window, right? And a $30 webcam. That's really about it. That's all you really need. All right. I just happen to have this here because it is my podcasting microphone for when I do podcasts. And I like to use it because it's really good audio. But I could use the audio for this webcam, from this webcam. I could use the audio from my computer. It doesn't really matter. All right. Just start doing stuff. That's it. Just start. So anyway, guys, real quick, I wanted to wish you a very happy new year. 2019 is going to be awesome, and I hope that you have the absolute best year possible. I really do. I really hope that you get absolutely everything that you want in life in 2019. Go ahead in the comments below. Let me know what equipment you're using and what you're going to upgrade to next. All right. Are you going to upgrade your audio next? Are you going to upgrade your lighting next? You know, what are you shooting on? Are you shooting on your phone, or are you shooting on a webcam or a proper cam? What are you shooting on? Now, if you've liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below as well, and click that little bell icon so that you get notifications of when we do other videos. So until next video, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will catch you later. Peace.